Pasuyo na po mga pasuyo.
Yes, maaga nating event. Good morning everyone. Thank you so much sa pagpunta. Kim, your fans have been here since early morning. Sarado pang mall. Nakita ko sila with the posters. Yes, hello. Yes, oo nga. Kaya maraming salamat po for coming this early day to support Fairfix and also me. Maraming salamat everyone. Kim, so proud to officially opening the Fairfix Hair Mixing Pop-Up here at SM Mall of Asia. I would like to invite the Fairfix management team, Watson's partner, and of course, I'll be staying here beside Kim Chu for the ribbon cutting ceremony.
Matas hindi kunti ma'am. Pasuyo na lang po. Matas kunti tayo ma'am. Paganito ma'am.
We welcome the photographers, media friends to take the official photo before the ribbon cutting. Mga fans of Kim Chu, I would like to hear you shout for her name. Are we all ready for the official ribbon cutting? I'll count in 3, 2, 1, okay?
Pasuyo na lang po. Atras kunti.
Okay, sabay-sabay tayo with our official photographers, media press, ready your camera in 3, 2, 1! Congratulations to the Fairfix Hair Mixing Pop-Up is now officially open here at SM Mall of Asia. Another photo op with the team. Thank you so much. Miss Regine, would you like to have a photo with Miss Sim here? And the Watson's team. Yes, calling the Watson's team to a photo op with Miss Kim. Thank you so much to the whole Watson's team. Kim, nice to see you this morning, blooming in red. Ganda mo. Thank you so much. Somewhere. Nice somewhere, please come back. It's okay, share tayo ng mic for now. So Kim, today we are your official pop-up of Fairfix. Here I'd like to share the area, and if you'd like to check out, we've got the hair styling session, which is a new product area, the hair treatment area, the style my favorite hairstyle, I love long hair talaga. Kaya very rare nyo lang talaga ako makikita ng short hair. And I love curling my hair.
Ah.
Kasi feeling ko talaga nakaka-pretty talaga kapag curly hair ka.
Actually, parang trademark mo nga talaga yung laging curly.
Super, I love.
Yung parang hindi ikaw yun pag hindi curly.
I know. Parang hindi talaga. Pero, syempre, nasa showbiz world tayo. We have to, like, reinvent yourself,
Yeah.
iba-ibang hairstyles.
Yes. And then meron tayong tinatawag na artista curl.
Yes.
Yes, di ba?
Yes. Can you explain to them?
So your artista curl is very defined curl. Yes. So your artista curl is very defined curl and then also very voluminous and shiny. And then one secret that I do, which I use is here, actually, the Power Curl Defining Spray. So this is a 3-in-1 curl to fix your hair. Voluminous, shiny, and then also, nag-hold yung curls mo after together. For sure, ginamit yung ni Kim kanina.
Of course. You leave on, and also this one is
Yeah. So this one, I would recommend for you to use before you blow dry your hair. So, kunwari, pagka-shower mo, ibig sabihin ko gumagawa sa your hair.
Yes.
So, pagka-shower mo, that hair, you spray this all over your hair, and then you blow dry it, then you curl it. Ang magic nito is, hindi mo kailangan masabi mag-hairspray. Lalo na sa mga girls, hindi natin masabi mag-spray. Super young, super basic hairspray, diba? And then also, just makes your hair really shiny. And then mag-hold talaga yung curls mo buong araw. Perfect sa mga curly na girls natin like me. Hi. Oo. We have a whole line of power curls which is perfect for you guys. So, kunyari na lang, I would spray. Actually, perfect. Kunyari galing sa shower, kunyari yung
And friends, I believe, how does the texture feel? In oils, how does it feel? Is it sticky ba? Kasi yun yung ayaw natin sa balik.
actually, hindi siya malagpas. This is teenage, wag na kayong summer. That's why I recommend it after the summer to dry.
Hair at least, hindi mo sa madalas sa mo. Kailangan nakulot ako yung hair mo. Nag-stay ba siya all day? Yes, one thing I love about hair fix is hindi lang ang styling yung mga products niya. Meron din siyang mga treatment products for the hair and for the skin. So, nothing hair fix can fix. You know, nothing hair fix can fix. By the way, ako naman din ang kasi powder. What I dislike about curly hair, and I'm sure a lot of us can relate, is that curly hair is maganda, pero yung small hair medyo flat. So, instead of kasi medyo flat,
Actually, may bagong favorite product na for all the girls na black hair. I know a lot of Filipinos usually problem is flat yung hair sa trabaho. Yung skin, gusto na yung mahuli. And then also hindi malagay. And then we will reveal this today.
I love this product. Like super, lalo na flat yung hair ko. And friends, on the other side, ang official unveiling of the newest product, Raw Hair Fix. Sabay-sabay tayo in 3, 2, 1, go! This is the newest hair fix solution, Miracle Volume Powder Fixer. Kaya nagamit mo na ba ito? Yes, super. Nakailang beses na ako gumagamit nito. And I really love kung paano siya nag-dry sa scalp. Kasi marami talagang Pinoy na, ito sa weather dito sa atin, na warm talaga. So, mabilis mag-oily yung scalp natin. So, nag-flat yung hair. So, this one, para siyang powder-ish na parang, ayan, na i-volume niya talaga yung buhok mo and tatanggalin niya talaga ang oil sa hair mo. And of course, yung hair mo, like Fred said, perfect na. So I would like to call on two guests that we would like to do demo para makita niyo ang power of volumizing. Can I call on our two guests that would be doing the honors? Kyle. Kyle is our content influencer. That's Kyle.
So in the miracle volume, all you have to do twist your thumb. Twist your thumb. Yes. For easy. Then you just want to pump it. So even for men, maganda po kasi natin yung volume. And then may hold. Tapos ayaw natin yung parang wax. So this is the perfect product for you. So
Okay, so we're now watching the live demo. Diba, mabilis siya umangat. Instant and fast. Actually, angat na siya kanina. May aangat pa pala. Akala ko wala na. Diba, akala ko wala na. Nagwila. Umangat siya. Ang taas na ng tingin namin sa'yo. Habang second floor na tayo. Yeah.
yeah, so I use this like before and then after. What do you think about this?
So I can see that it's powder form. So how is it different, do you think, with your regular powder na? Like, powder na. So yung powder na baby ko. Pwede ba yun?
Hindi. Kasi hindi yun hair. So anyway, this is like to make your hair add more volume. So ang maganda kasi dito is dry. So parang kasi yung lumalaban siya dun sa oil to scalp
And
natin.
also sa sweat din.
Yes, actually, oo. Saka hindi tumatagal siya hanggang bukas.
Thank you so much, Kyle. Hindi ka naman. Gusto niyo ng photo off for Kyle? Then I would like to go on our next model for girl naman. Thank you so much, Kyle, for that. Next, I would like to call on another content creator with Bonga hair color. Hazel? Yes. Hazel, tell me about your hair. You must have 20 years now. 20 years? Oh my gosh, hindi pa uso yung mga color. Let me stop. Yes, kahit ikaw na lang gumawa sa bahay, di ba? Super!
Oh, 20 years in, so So ang problem is also with good hair, like me, dito 20 years. So ang problem namin is flat siya. And then also walang hold. Diba lang ang flat, ito ko dito. So, perfect yung miracle volume for
May section na naman.
yeah, basically yung scalp na nalalagay. Tapos, ikamayin ko lang. And then you will see yung parang yung hair. Pagkaka-volume sa hair.
Wow, it's not. Wala nang teeth. Hindi na kasi sila ang hair mo. Yeah.
Ayaw din yung
Ayaw ko nang pinipis sa hair ko kasi nag-hair. So, ito na yung sagot sa ayaw magpatis ng hair. So, you can touch your hair right now. So, kung malaman ano yung video. Hindi mo nakakit ba? Walang nakakit. Pero may volume na. I love it. Naririnig ko na ba siya? Char, volume. Nakakainis ka. Nakaka. Hazel, ay wow! Amazing!
Ayan, di ba? Meron agad sa
Kaya siya tinawag ng miracle volume. Instant effect. So, photo off muna with our volumized hair. Hazel, thank you for being our model for today. Palapakan po natin mga guests natin. Friends, I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Any final tips that you would like to share to the audience?
Final tip is to always take care of your hair like your skin. Like it's different to everyone. So it starts from when you shower, tapos different treatment, and then pati yung mga disinfectant, and then mga treatment actually, favorite ko din. So yun. Thank you so much guys! Thank you Kim!
Thank you, Renz. Palakpakan po natin si Renz Pamilican. Kim, while you're here with me, I want to tell you something. I've been watching your videos, TikTok, Instagram, Reel Call, and my favorite, I'm a professional makeup artist, but I'm a frustrated hairstylist. Really? So, into beauty ka din. So, lagi ko pinapanood yung mga get ready with me. I love it.
dun sa behind the scene videos mo. And I've seen that these are your favorite. Ito mga apat.
Ay, super talaga!
Nawawala yung isa. Si Miracle Boy, kinuha na ni Red, si Inoue,
Kinuha na ni Red.
si Sole.
Dahil yun ang bago pong...
Thank you, ayan. Kim, I'll start with this one. I've been seeing you use a girl styling milk.
Super.
Can you share how you would use it and that?
Super! Favorite ko talaga to. Even yung mga friends ko, sabi nila, ginagamit na nila to dahil napapanood nila sa IG stories ko. As in, yung buhok kasi natin nagsastatic kasi nga sa weather dito sa Pilipinas, mainit siya. So, more on nagaganyan siya tapos bumubuhaghag. So, with curl styling milk, talagang napupwesto yung curl kahit saan ko gusto. And nagsistay yung curl. So, I really love this. Must have talaga to sa aking styling kit.
Walang keme, nakikita ko talaga sa stories.
Super! I love
And
this.
Kim, also, I have been seeing you on a running era. Yung pagkaka-warm up ka. Straight hair ka dyan. And I
Yeah!
know with straight hair, you're using another product. It's the Clarity Straight.
Yes, hindi pag straight hair naman ako, hindi ko ginagamit yung curl styling kasi medyo, ano siya, may moisture effect siya. So with this one, ito naman, nagsha-shine. Nagbibigay siya ng, shine, kasi tinatanggal niya yung mga tutsang. And pang straight hair talaga, and with keratin na rin siya. So may treatment na kasama after mong plansyahin yung hair mo. And it gives shiny hair vibe. Na para talagang, very healthy yung hair mo after. So, ito yung pang straight hair.
Hashtag from Kim,
Yeah.
shiny hair vibe.
Super! And aside from that, super affordable.
I love it. Actually, mas discount pa ngayon.
Yes, super talaga. Hair mix talaga number one.
And Kim, another sa nineno ko is something that you use, especially sa yung glamour. Glamour is key.
Yes, ito naman yung stronghold sa mga gusto mag-ponytail. Kasi may mga hairspray na may aerosol. So this one naman, iba naman siya. So diretso talaga siya. And even yung sister ko, si Twinkle, FA siya. So sabi niya, gusto ko yung spray net ng hair fix. Kasi parang iba yung lapat niya sa ulo mo. Talagang naaayos niya talaga yung mga ponytail, half pony. Nasa style niya talaga ng maayos. So, this one talaga the best. At hindi talaga pwedeng wala ito sa pag-style ko ng hair.
And last but not the least, yung kaka-launch na you would like to share to your fans on how you would use it. Kasi wala kami behind the scenes mga team. Wala kami
Gagawa ko.
Gagawa ka.
Gagawa ko ng content for this. Ito naman, after naman ka mag-style ng hair, para less, yung ginaganyan mo, inis yung hair, nasisira yung mga strand. Yes, lalo na sa may anit na part. So, pag tumubo ka lang, sisirain mo na kaagad. So, with this one, the Miracle Volume, it gives volume to your hair. And this is my new favorite. Dahil kaka-launch lang ito. And I'm very happy na meron na ang hair fix ng Miracle Volume.
Yes. Walang alam mo, kanina sinabi niya yung mga hair problems. Yung kakatubo lang inahatak na. So, alam mo ba, ang hair fix gotcha. Okay, so may scalp expert din sila to protect your scalp just in case, okay? So, Kim, relax muna tayo dito. And I'll share to you that there are top spenders who would get the chance to take a photo with our Miss Kim Chu today. So, I would like to call our top fans to have a one-on-one photo, and the photo will be printed out today for you. So, makukuha niyo kaagad. I would like to call on the top spenders, please.
Today, 11:59 p.m.
11:59 and 9 seconds ba? Ayan, our top spender.
Nalagay ba na try?
For a photo of
Thank you.
Again, our top spenders will proceed to the stage and get ready to capture hair-raising moment with Kim Chu. You will receive your photo after the program. Habang nagpo-photo up to Miss Kim, I would like to listen to some of the fans that would like to send some message to Miss Kim.
Miss Kim, what's your name?
Woo! Ate Chang!
Miss Kim. Hi, Kim. Hello, Kim. I'm happy na nilo. This is a photo of the messages ng mga fans natin.
Ang nalalaman ko na lang.
Naka-delete mo yun eh.
Hindi na lang ako nakakasip sa buhay ko.
Nasa ibang bansa mo ba?
Oo. Sana.
Sagal na doon.
Nakita ko sa content.
For you, ayan po yung mga fans na nagsasabi ng hi to you sa Valentine's Eve daw. Thank you so much. So, break mo.
Ito, sumasayaw. Ayun na
Pero parang dito na yun. Fantasy na yun eh.
Matupad naman pala yung fantasy ng atin.
Magiging ating pagpapel.
Ano pa sa hotel?
Wala ka ba ba? Sorry.
Pero basta siya.
Parang ano siya, magic.
Gusto ko yung feminine siya, pero manly pa din. So, i-remind lang natin.
So, mas madali mas.
Flip your hair challenge. I remember that. So, I would like to invite Mike, who would like to join us here on stage to dance with Miss Kim.
Di ba entertainment? Sabi ko,
Sino bang gusto? 3 more, maybe sa mga fans. Okay, fans ba yung gusto mag-dance challenge?
Ayaw mag-atrasan lahat. Walang picture lang, Mars, no dance.
Yes, please.
Ay, ready naman si Mami.
Okay.
Ready naman si Mami.
Adi!
Pwede naman magpa-picture, wag lang magdadance. Ready na.
Okay. Invite na tayo.
Yan. May split.
Okay. So, kayo ang sasayaw ng best dance nyo. Papakita nyo kay Miss Kim yung hair flip. Any hair flip dance na hair flip. The more creative,
Basta pati ikaw, kasi chumita ko eh.
Gagawin ako na Oo, ikaw ang judge.
Ay, Marimar.
Sa dagat.
Marimar.
Kailangan maging judgmental. Okay, i-play muna natin ang music. Mag-practice muna sila para ma-feel ng mga contestants natin how to do this challenge. So Miss Kim will be here beside me para makita mo yung dance nila. Music, please! Stop. Okay, yan ang music natin. Try to be creative, catch her attention. Could be hair flip, pakitaan niyo yung magandang hair niyo. Anything you can do. Are you ready? May audience impact to ha. So, kailangan may look na audience, okay? Let's start with the music!
Happy mother. Oh, wow.
I love it. Love it, so pretty. Ayan. Audience impact. Walang audience impact ang nakakamera yan. Kitang-kita ang sayaw ninyo. Oo. Ay!
Sorry.
think we have a winner. Pero siya lang nag-reflect ng sagad eh.
Sino agad yun?
The last one is, what's your name? Hazel, congratulations! Pero palakpakan pa rin natin ang ibang mga sumali. Pagtutuan. Yes, I love it. Mapangahay.
Dapat may split para maging kakapanalo. Oo.
Ready, 1, 2.
Ang ina-expect ko from you ay split. Ako din eh. Pati 360 Uy, ano oras na? Ay, 1 pa naman yun. Yes, 1 pa naman. Si Bossy.
Okay, ready. Your photo lang, 1, the people, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you so much, Rose, for joining to our dance challenge. May na-inspire si Kim sa kanyang dance product, hair flip. I love. Ang gaganda nilang lahat. Lahat naman din dito ngayon so pretty. I love it. So Kim, I would like to invite everyone to explore the Hair Fix pop-up here at SM Mall of Asia. Discover styling, treatments, scalp hair, and hair color solutions. Don't miss today's exclusive promos. Maraming promos and bundles to find your perfect hair routine. Because wherever your hair needs, gusto ko sabay-sabay tayo sa ligaw ng Hair Fix got you. Okay? Again, whatever your hair needs, Hair Fix got you! Thank you so much. I'll see you all later. But I would like to invite all the influencers, media friends, and Watsons and the Hair Fix marketing team to join here in front for a group photo op.
Arden! Arden!
Nakakaano yun? Halika para makita mo siya.
Stay strong!
Ayan. Nasa gitna na siya. Si Kim. Yes.
Kaya ma'am.
Hindi kami kung pupunta. Ang dami.
Ready guys? See you, 1, 2, 3. Video now!
May tayo ng Hair Fix got you. 3, 2, 1, go!
One more. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go!
Kim will now stay for an exclusive Hair Fix content shoot across Hair Amazing Zone. Meanwhile, I would like to invite the influencers and media friends to head on to the restaurant as we will also be seeing Kim there. Thank you. I would like to call on our media and influencer friends to follow. Afterward here, go to the restaurant. Thank you.
Saan yung camera mo?
Uli-kali pa siya. Diyan ka lang ah.
Pero kayo dati pa.
Ano, babalik ka pa sa office. Hindi na. Hindi na. Aaway na naman kami ng boss. Hindi pa ako babalik. Sana tumakas na lang ako, di ba? Tapos bubalik ako.
Georgie. Tingnan mo.
Naranasan ko wala pa eh. Sabi ni Kuya Alan, hindi ko natatanong. Sa wala lang na siya. Hindi ko
Hindi na tayo mag-picture, mami. Alam ba, yung anak ko na. Alam ba yung anak ko? Wala yung anak ko.
Hi, Kim Chu! Happy 20th Anim! Love you, Kim! Kim Chu! Kim Chu! Kim Chu! Hinabol pa tayo.
Kirol! Masulurin si ate, sabi ko.
Anong tao? For the follow po silang lahat.
Hi, Sir Jake! Sabi ni Sir Atney. Bye po!
Ang dami pa rin ang humahabol.